Toyota just revealed what might be the boldest RAV4 yet. It's the all-new 2027 Toyota RAV4, and they're not playing it safe anymore. Let's start at the front. Just look at that aggressive fascia. Toyota has completely reworked the grille and lighting design. The split LED headlights are razor sharp, connected by a sleek horizontal LED DRL bar that exudes futuristic confidence. The front bumper, angular, muscular, and bold. This RAV4 doesn't whisper urban crossover. It screams tech-savvy pioneer. From the side, the RAV4 retains its chiseled body lines, but with more aerodynamic smoothness. Blacked-out pillars give the effect of floating roof, and aggressive flared fenders hint at off-road readiness. The wheels? Large, turbine-style alloys that look straight out of concept sketch. Sporty and planted. This isn't your average shopping cart. Take a look at the rear. Toyota has gone all-out futuristic. A clean, unified light bar runs the entire width, with striking C-shaped taillights integrated into the body. But here's the interesting part. Notice anything odd? That's right. The left Toyota badge looks like a pre-production typo. But that doesn't take away from the boldness of this rear bumper, which features sharp cuts and a faux diffuser that add a sporty finishing touch. Now let's pop the hood. While Toyota hasn't officially confirmed powertrain specs, we expect the 2027 RAV4 to carry over the hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants, likely with better fuel efficiency and more power. Rumors point to an upgraded 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid with around 225 to 250 horsepower, with optional all-wheel drive. EV mode? Of course. Toyota is going all in on carbon neutrality. Step inside and it's a digital dream. Expect a fully digital driver's display, a 14-inch floating infotainment screen *** with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, an updated cabin with ambient lighting, recycled materials, and premium soft touch finishes. Toyota also beefed up safety. Think level 2 plus semi-autonomous driving, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist, all standard. So what do you think? Is this the upgrade the RAV4 needs? Or has Toyota gone too far into concept car territory? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay up to date on the latest in automotive design and innovation.